I'm Jim Cederstrom. I'm the president of Inmar Solutions. We're located in Chesterfield, Michigan. Inmar is an engineering-focused company. We work in the automotive industry primarily, and we focus on the advancement of new plastics technologies, mostly in higher performance applications like you'd find under the hood, like powertrain applications where they're exposed to a lot of extreme conditions. Yeah, STEM is pretty much everything that we do. So on the engineering front, we do a lot of design, we do a lot of CAD work, we do a lot of simulation work when we get into part design for mold filling simulation, for example, or finite element analysis. We're always developing new technologies. That could be developing new plastics with a variety of different companies or on our own. That could be developing new manufacturing technologies, new methods of automation, new methods of machine programming, new methods of robotic programming, or implementing new robotics or vision systems for the advanced manufacturing areas. We're developing not only, if we think about molding, for example, we're very heavily involved in molding as part of plastics, but we're working very heavily with advanced manufacturing and a variety of control systems. I think what would surprise people the most is when we describe ourselves as a company involved in plastics, people immediately translate that into thinking that we're an injection molding company with traditional injection molding equipment. And yes, we definitely have quite a bit of that equipment and do a lot of molding. But I think they'd be surprised by the variety of technologies, the variety of disciplines, the variety of different types of equipment that we're implementing. Within Inmar's process, we're not just doing molding, we're developing the materials, we're developing the part designs, we're simulating the part designs with those materials that we're developing and characterizing in an analytical lab. And then we're translating that into a molding process through upfront simulation and then prototyping. We have design engineers, product engineers, advanced manufacturing engineers, set up manufacturing processes. As I mentioned, we are developing some specific manufacturing equipment, molding equipment, automated equipment. So it could be robot programmer, it could be PLC programmer, it could be a machine builder, a variety of technician roles in terms of like material characterization with analytical laboratory equipment, or additive manufacturing, 3D printing. You need somebody to actually run the printers in a repeatable manner. There's definitely opportunities to learn on the job, whether you have a degree or whether you don't have a degree. If somebody has a degree, obviously that's a foundation that they come in with that can directly apply to some of the positions that I mentioned. If they don't have a degree, then it's going to be more on-the-job training, and we're very heavily focused on that. Coming back to, again, somebody who has the interest in learning, has the capability of learning, is curious and follows instructions, but then also, is creative and can provide, their own ideas. The best way to take the first step would be to get in direct contact with us. The easiest way for anyone to find us would be through our website. You can find us on LinkedIn and approach us.